Hi guys, today is National Kool-Aid Day. Who doesn't love Kool-Aid? Look at the little Kool-Aid guy. A lot of people don't use Kool-Aid anymore, I don't think. We still do. Well, Boo does. And I'm going to show you how I make it, because I make it a little bit different, I think, than other people. Maybe, I don't know. You tell me whether or not you do it this way or not. First thing I do, run some hot water. And I start filling up my little pitcher here. I do 2 packs of Kool-Aid in this one big pitcher. Yes, I use hot water. And the reason for that is the sugar and the Kool-Aid dissolve better in the hot water. So you get 2 cups of sugar. I always do less than a cup. And then I do a little less than a cup on this one too. So not quite get 2 cups of sugar in there. All right. Stir that up. I know I haven't put the Kool-Aid in yet. Stir the sugar up, get it to dissolve a little bit more. Okay. Always got to shake the packs. Open them up. And this one, oh, Tropical Punch. I think when I went to the store the other day, they had no orange. So I have to get, ooh, that gets right up your nose, that fruit punch, tropical punch smell. See, you don't feel the grittiness anymore. And now I finished filling it up with cold water. And if we're going to drink it right away, I will stop it up to about here and then throw ice in it until it reaches the top. But this will be for tomorrow's dinner for Boo. A little bit more. Alrighty. And it should be all mixed together. I don't feel any grittiness of the sugar. And put the lid on it. And voila. Kool-Aid is done. Isn't that fast, simple, and easy? All right, guys, I hope you enjoy your National Kool-Aid Day. And don't forget, make you some Kool-Aid.